Russian paratroopers is testing new Kadet-100 parachute system. The new parachute system was developed to replace the legacy parachute of the Russian Army D-10, which has been used by airborne units for more than 20 years. The Kadet-100 parachute system features a round dome and is designed for paratroopers' airborne assault operations and training jumps. The new parachute will enable the blue berets to skydive with full gear from aircraft at a speed of 140 to 350 km per hour. The Kadet-100 parachute enables paratroopers to perform jumps from a minimum safe altitude of 150 meters and allows a maximum flight weight of 160 kilograms, while the average descent rate at the section of 30 to 35 meters from the ground does not exceed 5 meters per second. As noted by the company, the Kadet enables paratroopers to make 360-degree turns to any side within 12 seconds and features the canopy's enhanced stability.